As you all know how much I love doing makeup, but the most annoying part about it is applying lashes. The glue usually never sticks to the lashes and I am super annoyed by the end of my look. So I thought of trying out Flingnetic's magnetic lashes. They claim to be the most easiest lashes to apply. The best thing is that they come in a pack of 3 pairs, and since ये magnetic हैं तो it will hardly take you 1 minute to apply them. All you have to do is line, magnetize, and that's it. You're done with your lashes.
कैसा समा